Hi guys, today in this video I will discuss about CIRA training and licensing procedure. So before going to the further procedure, I just want to discuss what is CIRA all about. CIRA is Security Industry Regulatory Agency, and it was a new department established in 2016. The law is Law 12 2016 is the law nowadays for the security industry of Dubai. The second department, I'm just discussing for your information, the previous department, the old department was DPS, Department of Protective System. This department has been closed, so we will not discuss, we will focus on CIRA. Make sure guys, CIRA is Security Licensing Authority in Dubai. The license for security guards, license for supervisors, license for security managers, license for security trainers, we all are getting license from CIRA nowadays. For security guard license, we will discuss, there are 3 steps. Step number 1, registration with SCTC CIRA. So who will do this registration? If you came on company visa, company will do your registration. Very simple. But if you are working in different companies, might be you are working as a cleaner, loader, driver, but you are educated, you need to come in security field. Yes, you can also register yourself. Go there in SCTC, register yourself. They will give you the schedule for training, and then further you can do training and you can change your field. The second step is CIRA training. In CIRA training guys, you have actually 5 days training starting from Saturday to Wednesday, and the Thursday is actually examination day. In this training, your main training is BSG, Basic Security Guard training. You will be given a book and you will be given notes. During training also, the trainers will give you a lot of notes. Make sure guys, for this training you need to be focused. You need to be focused with trainer to understand the points, to understand the training. And at any stage, if you did not understand, don't hesitate to ask questions, because when you will ask questions, you will learn. The second training in these 5 days, that will be along with that, that is basic life support, only 4-hour training. You have some practicals also and theory. So you will also get license for this certificate for this training. Next one is fire and safety, very important training. It is also 4 hours, you will get the certificate. And then POD, people of determination, how to deal with handicapped people. We are not saying handicap in UA, we are saying people of determination. So this is also 4-hour training, and you will also get the certificate for that. The last is physical fitness. That is actually, we are not giving any training for this guys. You need to keep yourself physically fit. So this test will be in Thursday in SCTC. They will test you physically. If physically you will fit, and you get all these 4 certificates in written exam. BSG, Basic Life Support, Fire and Safety. You will get questions in your written exam. POD, there will be no question in written exam. So if you will get all 5 certificates, now your company will send you for the next step, that is criminality check, fingerprints with Dubai CID. Now if the Dubai Police CID will give you clearance certificate that you are not involved in any crime, now your company will submit all these documents online to CIRA and you will get the license. Now actually the second part which I told you that I will discuss, that is about CIRA written examination. Guys, your exam will be from the same course which you study. We will not ask you an exam anything new, anything out of course. No, it will be from your course which you study, 5 days. Trainer given you a lot of tests and you are fully prepared for this test. And this test will be on computer. Make sure, read the question carefully, pick the answer, and then go to the next page. They will give you detailed briefing guys before the test. Listen them carefully. That briefing is very important. They will give you the procedure, how to change the question answer. If for example you given any wrong answer, still you can change. There is a procedure. They will explain to you. Try to understand in the beginning. It's a key point. So okay, how much will be the timing? it is 1 hour, 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 60 questions. So very easy. Your 20 questions are very easy, true, false. And your question, they will take time. That is only MCQ, multiple choice questions. They are 40. Guys, make sure from all these 60 questions total, you need to score 36. If your 36 questions are correct, you are pass. It means you score 60%, and that is the criteria of CIRA. You will be considered as pass. But make sure it is written test. If later, after the written test, you are going into physical test, and unfortunately you are failed in physical fitness test, guys, make sure now second time when you will only go for physical fitness, because you passed already the computer exam, written exam already. So no need to worry about. If you passed your written test, it means you are passed. Now second time, if you failed the first time when you passed the written exam, but you failed in the physical fitness, so they will only call you for physical fitness. So this was all about licensing requirement and about the exam, guys. If you still have any question, any doubt, if still anything is not clear, feel free to send me the message. You can send me in comments. And if you like the video, guys, these details, I can assure you that these are details which I given you are updated, latest updates which I given you. Please share with your friends and subscribe my channel, because I will give you a lot of videos like this which can help you for your further career in UAE. Thank you very much, guys.